How to remove battery from your GoPro Hero 7 Black. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide, and in today's tutorial video I will simply show you the process to remove your battery from your GoPro. So make sure to stick with me till the end, and without any further ado, let's get started. Now the very first thing you want to understand is that if your GoPro is on a case, you would simply need to pull it out from the case. If you can't pull it out from the case and you've been trying to do so, you won't be able to remove the battery. So in order to pull it out from the case, you'll be able to see this slider right on top. All you have to do is simply press and hold on the slider right over here. So once you pull this slider off, you can see this has been taken off. Now what you could do is also simply remove this border, and now you can push your GoPro from backwards and simply remove it out from the case. So as you can see, in my case, I have successfully removed it from the case right over here. So as you can see, now that my GoPro is out of the case, how do we go about removing the battery? So at the bottom of this GoPro, you'll be able to find this little rectangular button. You might have been trying to pull this off, but relatively you have been failed. So in order to pull this off, first of all, you have to press and hold on this rectangle and then simply slide it towards the open side. So let me just go ahead and show you how this looks like. If I press and hold on it, and then you can see the lock has successfully been removed just like that. So let me repeat and show it for you again. Press and hold on this rectangular and slide it towards the open direction. As soon as you do that, the lock is automatically going to be removed. And in order to pull out the battery, you can see this little pulley right over here in this tape-like object. All you have to do is simply pull this battery out, this lever out, in order to pull out the battery. So you can see right over here, once I pull that, this battery is going to be successfully pulled out from the GoPro as well. Now you can go ahead and simply put in another battery and then replace your battery as well. If you want to pull it back on the case again, you can see this little 4 pins right over here. You have to simply go ahead and simply pull it down right over here, and if you want to lock it again, simply close it and then pull it toward the inward direction. And this is very simple on how you can very easily remove the battery from your GoPro 7 Black. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome gadget tutorial like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.